George Birmingham here. Put together my new backhoe and I got some quality issues, so I'm making a video. This is the Max backhoe attachment BH 860. I've not done any digging with it yet. No usage at all. See, the outriggers are clean. Haven't been using it. Just got it put on. This is the model number and serial number.
It's stamped in there and you can't really see it.
Later.
Okay.
All right, so back up here and get a shot of the machine from. So it's very warped, misshapen, and I've done some troubleshooting and found that with the machine leveled, when I leveled the boom, it levels out on both sides fine. When I go to the corresponding plane for the stick, it is way off level. You can also see that by the contrasting line here of the frame and the angle of the level.
Sorry. Okay.
Get another contrast here. So
okay.
I found the defect to be the machining of these mounting holes are not spaced evenly, which is warping the entire frame. I knew I bought a economy, cheaper backhoe. Knew it wouldn't be perfect, but I feel that's a little bit outside of the realm of reason. Also, I paid extra for the quick connect attachment to change buckets, and I bought 2 extra buckets. Put the quick connect on, and they come with no pins. So you can quick connect them, but you have to knock the pins out of your other bucket to be able to use it, which makes it not a quick connect. Kind of feel like they should have come with some pins.